Welcome to Hassan and ISA Barber, where every haircut is a journey of transformation. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you just how we turn an ordinary look into extraordinary style. Our skilled barber is at work. Notice the precise cuts, the careful trimming. Every move is made with years of experience and passion for the craft. Whether it's a classic cut or the latest trend, we tailor each hairstyle to perfectly fit our clients. And here's the moment of revelation. A perfect blend of art and precision, a style that speaks. At Hassan and ISA Barber, we don't just cut hair, we craft confidence and style that lasts long after you've left our chair. Thank you for sharing this journey with us.